basically omukoi obo ba edi bro nya wi obo sala bi age ebi gigi chobos ni ade nyina afi na afi de ade no se ya hwe ya ye mu bi ya ma so ya ma me kasa ye ne ana san so koba ebe
Ebusianfo aha Ghana TV GH. Make sure like, comment, subscribe, turn on notification no? So that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. Ebusianfo, I sincerely do not want the best for NDC, right? The SC or NDC will be the family. But Mijidi say we must elevate the conversation. And they are very important. Now, I sincerely think, say NDC, if you want to do any favor to a man where any majority leader or parliament, leader of government business, no, I say money in kasa and I say we replace it. Meaning say or you're a stalwart of your party, and then you cannot remove him and not give him anything. The ABI say. They say Minister of Defense or Minister of Energy, environment. Eso. Mumpe bakumano. Namusisano. Because sa papa no, I say, Mahama Ayariga no. I say ni kasamu any. Some of the things he does no or says does no. Like it does not go well with majority of Ghanaians. Number one, where baby our MP I still wonder how they are able to put ballot boxes there and elect an MP. Boku. Ina no more boku. And the election time on Kwana Mutimi experience peace and how do they manage to have peaceful elections ever boku, and then after that, omutimi select your MP, but omutimi resolve conflicts about chieftaincy. A question be maybe Samuel, and you as MP, why am Mahama Ayariga we MP? No, you have a very big responsibility to play in the peace in Boku. And if there is no peace in Boku, no, we are right to say. You are failing your responsibility, Mahama Ayariga. Now, even though you are failing your responsibility there, we fear some they won't deal. Cocoa farmers, Juma. Some of them, 2 years, and some of them one harvest. Now, we are buying, I promise you, on bet you are 3,600. In fact, before that one cry, no, Muka say 6,000, 7,000, I met you. Afe mo abesa mo adwen munkwa na munim ade konti a mo isa mo adwen na 80-year-old cocoa farmer papa penny already 80 years etina car every Western North for 11 hours from Western North to Accra just to come and picket our cocoa board ebetina cocoa board throughout the night in the midst of mosquitoes and all left to the mercy of the weather. All because Papa will say, Juma Mayeno, Mo mommy, what is due me? And yes, Opa Bana chose, a ban alone, no, debut. A Juma Wayeno, what is due him? No? That is all this old man is asking for. This 80-year-old man is asking for. Mahama Ayariga. Etimi be some mic, etina microphone in him catch the papa no. Any the loads of cocoa farmers say whether it is a promise or not, I want to mean tiamu. Debut. You don't just stand up and unilaterally break promises, break contracts with the people. You don't do that. And in fact, when the people start asking for what is due them, no, you cannot just tell them anything at all. I say the kind of reply and the kind of posture. Why G2 say you have promised the people, so you must fulfill it. And the papa 80 years no free western of Eba Accra no. Mu hunu mobo. Ni hunya mi mobo. Don't you pity him? And this is what me look. You people think say you got it all figured out. But the current happiness should tell you something about the climate and about the feelings of Ghanaians. What does it say? Ghana for every time we say dollar no and so what? Say Master Tibisamu, dollar no and so what? Ghanaians are waking up. They are waking up. Or when we say, artificial. Everything's artificial. The monies were pumping into the forest market. The gold board claims that they were bringing in billions of Ghana cedis of dollars, which was helping our foreign exchange. Everything is artificial and yet reality. The lie about inflation is 3.8. When you go to the market, you will feel the actual inflation. The actual inflation is felt in the market. And market women, they are not able to sell. That is the actual inflation. That is the actual economy. Mahama Ayariga, please. Before, you should be careful the kind of things you say. Because 2028 is just in the corner. Now, Bokufona, my Paul Macho say, when all is said and done, don't send this Mahama Ayariga back to parliament again. You won't grow for fine people. Oh, Bokwa, or make me an MP. MPP. Fine people. I believe, sir, you can look through and send one of such people to the parliament. There's an interesting conversation up next. You can donate to this platform by donating to the number below here to help us in bundle purchase and purchasing of more equipment for our studio. I will see you in the next one. Don't go anywhere. Cheers.
Go mukwe obo ba edi bro nya wi o be sala bi age ebi jiji chobos ni ade ade nyina afi na afi de ade no se ya hwe ya ye mu bi ya manso ya ma me kasa ye ni ana sanso koba ebesi so. You see sa Mahama Ayariga no sabe mpreduasa na nanom animu a wa sha ase ke kan kwase asem e wo se etimi manu wa sha ase asem na original parliament e kan ye say yes. You cannot give what you don't have, no problem. But the medidi koko kwani na wono ne free sahwi. Koko kwani a wono ne te wasaha, koko kwani a wono ne te eastern region. Na se wo se wo bono kro no, wo president wo ye kromfo, wo ye hwi, kontompo ni damramani. Wo hwia no, o ka, wo san so bedidi na tem se oni de wo ka. Na wo gina parliament wono wo yate wakatua so. For Christ's sake, me nua ye mrahye bedwani pen. Me nua di minister, I deputy minister pe minimum before a free 20 na do buy 2017 to 2024 members of parliament eni mo makatu na mo je NDC mo buy members of parliament o makatu ya busa mo akoye mbra tum sika o mo je nyasam ketwa ya nte so na duru kokoko kuani ni dia what so ba be ka kire yen say wo kokoko kuani ni dia na what so dia o be say buni baby a picket ni demonstration every baby if you wo Mahama Ayariga no empty head so obi anua koko obokunti no koko akuafo no and there's no cocoa farmer that will change that Mahama Ayariga and say ne buy school fees near ade. Do you think it is normal? It is not normal for us who are coming from the cocoa growing areas because the cocoa farmers are chasing at omo tete ya no pesca de omo mark school. So what you say o de wo te boko yenua cocoa ho into your majority de na okay kan kwase asem. Masa, it is bad. I mean, and then this is for sorry, you know, did Ghana for them. And this is for page of one did Ghana for them. Mami bia or no mini baby free. Sabin preduasa. A lady, wabe or bar wabe a second lady. A friend is a first lady in waiting. If for nothing at all, cry sabi sa woni ni wasem woni ni hoye wa hinsa de akrom pa sabi preduasa. Oba ukoliko ba. Anka won tran live television so ndidi natam. You see, now we have Samira, baby, or no young lady of her type, baby, when you never drew a brabo, na brabo papa, what bomb mawins and it's about me, who know what no. Shall baby, second lady, oh, I Lordina Mahama, a second lady, your chrono, and you could boy, what you want to look no for. You could walk chronoa, my one crumpan was nedinachi, said you could to know. What I say. Share Dr. Bomia, a foot to papa, and a ready man, papa, free power. omuntimi mfa bayi abobor ma mi better live television so edidi seven preduasa Dr. Bawumia na yere aye Samiratem an adulterous woman like that lady no wo bi a waware ofani kunachi ni kun yare ntu ofani kunachi didi no hotel basa obedidi Samira Bawumiatem NDC for sorry no mo didi your friend say Ghana for what is the essence of that sabe me NDC MPP communicators we be adro no ewi ase ade ne ye de ye na anya o ya ye nya ofaye na se sabe ono wo ba no mpo na ono no wo kunu na esan ne de by heart mpo no otimi didi a young lady like Samira Bawumia atemo a e ti ode na sabe pray dey san ye ya hinsem ti aye ye timi nko radio no so nkonko kabi e na ye de church na ye yi sa but ya oh no ya asemo Mahama Ayariga kan very unfortunate minu aba no kra nyakopon anim ni ye nyina ye nsori ye mbo kokofo ye mbo omuchidom whatever the NDC friend is government no be ka say koko akuafo ye MPP for ye mfa ho ye ne omo anenam omo ye MPP for ye agiatum se ne wa be gbo no kro no awie ne sika na so be ka kire koko akuani ni say don't go edu pick okoye picket na say o ye MPP ni a ye agiatum o the MPP koko akuafo no ye be demonstration ni etum a enye MPP koko akuafo nkwa na betum dia ma omo ye betu NDC su koko akuafo na say NDC koko akuafo no omo tito na omo nnim nyansa na so mbetena wo say obi adon Mahama emfo omu sikandi mbetena say enko ye nka ho hwe omo ntena ho they should be there who your president who your mampanyini wa be bokro no wati koko so yakoka o se misumi okoko na mentias ye say Ghana for kratimi kase Mahama is a communicator who says so for Christ sake me am a communicator indeed I hold a degree in communication what I say the way Mahama is communicating meaning the time of he is a communicator and na say obi a ono ka se manyansa nim sabe what you obi koko so we are president your allowances your salary shares down with them Ghana for any tua koko kwani no netua credit kwa obeto airtime abeto koko kwani na toma sabe ufuel koko kwani na eto o ka utim koko
be man patronal do anunsi amam
kwa S gracia koko kwani na se ya tunu koko no kaka se misumi wo koko ni bi wo koko ni bi dia nya odai wo bole bamboy ho na ofiri koko be no shut up you see ya hwe ya mbake kan kwasi asem sa asa de omo ye nipa si obi the meme can say we should all continue to sympathize with the cocoa farmers because what they are going through now ayara wosem mesre the NDC for can ye momian so wo so omomian so NDC for when they say something enya yeso yan kan de enya nkere omo because omo baby omo firi baby e papa sen ye nom nuanom ma menya mo mfa mo nsi ha na Mahama Ayariga de nkwasi asem no ogina parliament o kan na onya obi ama na reply no ye pese o ti ase say na sunwei no going forward no betin sem wom e da wase pa.
okay very much
kwame kuma na memo e ba no yeso abofo amemo no no be hara ziasa no o chichiri nipa wo mu nyina ye asset the same country no gumu ya e ko ba se election dura atitase mo na NDC fo yi enu na e woso enu na kaze wo chase nyankopon na yi wo de san kwame nkruma se wo ye suru abofo e ma yen nkruma tam anapa krung ne twini bawo osaji fo so mmotwe ni ye mo nyankopon ni na anachi frimpon me waso ate tamu akwame nkruma ji independence no na se nya independence no so de osi kwame nkruma nkwa na we ye prince sa Ghana, Malaysia, Indonesia, South Korea ni India for ni agura tipenkro atipengro aso ne ko man se satam na Ghana we yoten city na Ghana to so mienu sikasemu na se satam ye che Ghana sika nanka Ghana ni bia ye millionaire tamenya independence no na so me bisa se identity nenne Malaysia, Indonesia, South Korea ni India afo wa matwe mu ana ye me wo ba bia ya South Korea afo kura timi ye ka e ba wa san Ghana man ye tobie adentira because when you independence no India afo ani enkura amaya mambobodni wa mama youth no education no kwa me nkruma ekosi university wa san uniba nkruma ideology obi obeko bia no kosua kwa me nkruma ho asem sa kwa me nkruma ho asem ene mu NDC4 NCB4 mu dididie yo na di mfaso bia abregana yesika sam na kama enti muntutu emfuturo enwu wadisan obi ani so anachi frimpon ya woka nyina no enya ne kure na enya mi nwanwa se kwa akogina baabi akoka se Mahama sese wono na Yesu abofo Nyankopon ayina maye hwe amamu ewobuo aso mo akama no atum na research ne kiase se wo ye orisan government na oba previous government na de obi nyina no yentontwene ne yenkasa nye na mommo de fon no a ento asum no a emfe yanko anim no ene mom ne yen hapo yenkasa eye sese ni mo ekoba se hwene koko no a yade hwe o man ene no mo twagu no anachi frimpon koko no a yade hwe Mahama ene na busuafo na asefo no ene siemfo no ene no mo twagu no koko fo no anti no ema anwunafo ne all the tribes ba Ashanti-mem no ene no mo twagu no na emia senka Asante yamfo ye ho ameka mo independence kitu chochopo yi ho a enka ne yegina blane aban bia no aba ya de pepe bia mayen ensus koko ani sa resources we dia chichide enkran ene o man nyina efu Asante-mem se project bi na mo de ba na emoya ensus sika nyina na ye de ya na ye de ahwemo ni yen what to say ya protest ya na kan bi say ya mpini so say ya meska no enchichi o man nyina say ni amati yan say sa interchange no musimbe ntutie na ma tutie no mo gino ho say e ya repa koko ni timba ni gold no asisi mo de say adisen asasu no ni nyina emfiri Asante-mem adenti na ye de yenya ho mfaso project bit na mo de ba na emoya se mo 2 years no open source so mo ntimi nya 40 no a wo mo fangu ho kosi se nyame bayi adum na aban oba wagini nipa ho no ma bayi amayen na nkoba se wo mo no tama na wo mo ye worisan opoku ase interchange na nko mo bayi na trio enso MPP bayi no mo etimi eye na worisan 40 ya nka Mahama no mo edisika atiba ko atwene adenti ne yen adepa bia mo bese eba na mo bayi tutie de ne munyai mo amhwe amemu abo no mobuo na wo a wo begina ho ba bia aka se NDC ni MPP ye adekro no nyame betua woka because ensusuye wom tembia MPP ba ye be fixe niema na do ba mo so wan fixe adenti na mo NDC fo mo se no kufo ba na badisan akwawe Uranus wasa bibia ene obepagia o man si ho na mo de bia MPP ba ye ne be fixe na mo di se sika bia mo be wia nyame betua muka mo ne mo asefo nyina se mo amfanya de pa ene ma hunu koko fo atisha fo nurses fo se bo hunu Mahama wo mu nipa o because aban ekwan ya mkoto abama no nim se mu nim nyansa nka mo nto aba no ma no enti Mahama wo so be se o ma no ampa ene nsusu wo se no wo kan se obeton am obi afa no bag na mesre Nyankopon se wa mu wo ma ne ye na amamfu bia bobue ne nyame de wakatua be ma wo da chi bia kana fo mo sore